How to enable or disable password autofill in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy. Click on more security settings. Here you will see passwords, passkey and autofill. Now click on passwords, passkeys and autofill. Now click on setting. And if you want to disable password, passkey or autofill, then click on none. And if you want to enable, then click on Samsung Pass. Click on OK. This is how you can enable or disable password, passkey, autofill in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.